Meditation takes you on a journey from external chaos to inner silence. It takes you to a place where you can rest, release old beliefs, and just be in the present moment. While some access this space by sitting still, I have been accessing it through pen, paper, and patterns. Hi, I'm Neha Modi, an artist, educator, and a top teacher here on Skillshare. My work is an intersection of mindfulness and creativity, and I've been fortunate enough to share it with thousands of people through my online classes, workshops, and social media since the last few years. As I started making sense of the world inside me during my art meditation sessions, I began to see the world around me differently. My pace got slower, I paused more often, and I stopped not only to smell the roses, but also to observe and appreciate the everyday objects around me. This habit of mindful observation opened doors to many more creative explorations and has become the foundation of this class. This class is a 10-day challenge that's designed to unlock your creativity and restore your inherent state of balance. Together, we will create patterns inspired by everyday objects without worrying too much about realistic results. I will show you how to reduce objects to basic lines and shapes, get past the intimidation of drawing from real life, and eventually develop a never-ending source of inspiration. Each lesson will focus not only on different elements of mindfulness, but it will also cover techniques and tips to create different styles of patterns. So for example, on day 9, along with learning how to brush off judgment, we will also understand the way we can spice up a regular block repeat pattern. By the end of this class, you will be on your way to find your own answers for what to draw, how to draw, and most importantly, why to draw. So whether you're looking for an outlet to slow down and tame your inner critique, or you want to dip your toes into the world of patterns, or you want to rekindle your relationship with pen and paper, then join me in this class.